Welcome to Brain Vision.
So as shown in the figure, by given figure, we can write actual effective length, actual effective length. This will be equals to 90 plus 2.13 centimeter. Or this will be equals to, let it be this in this format only. Now we need to calculate we need to calculate or we need to add by considering only two significant digits in the measurement. So the effective length will be equals to 90 plus 2.1 only, considering two significant digits. So we will get the effective length is equals to 92.1 centimeter, considering two significant digits.